Alright guys, check it out. Just got these in the mail the other day. Stainless steel Black Widow exhaust. 3-inch version, as you can see, almost all the way through there. I think you can see it, yeah. Both sides. Alright. This is the 250 Venom series that I picked out for the C10 for autocrossing next year. It's got a really aggressive sound. You can also check these out on their website. They've got sound clips of basically every engine that you might run into, 5.3, 6.0, LS1, 3, small cam, big cam, whatever it might be. Kind of give you an idea of what it sounds like, what it might sound like on your ride. So definitely check them out. Black Widow, thank you. It's definitely high quality. Cannot wait to get it on the truck. Can't wait for next season, 2020. And also in the box, can't forget the Black Widow decals. Adds 20 additional horsepower. And also instruction manual. Alright, in case you can't figure it out. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.